Local users located in the immediate area of the computer system use terminals connected directly to the host computer system. Branch offices with more than a few terminals employ a device called statistical multiplexer that is important for host computers and terminals work. Each device combines the data traveling to and from several terminals into a signal data stream. Also, small branch offices can connect directly to a laser line modem. Before high-speed dial-up modems became available, expensive laser line were choice for reliable high-speed connections. Dial-up access was used for small branch offices that didn't need a full-time connection, as well as for traveling and work-at-home users.